Hello, trading is closed on November 15th, 2021. We always begin with our disclaimer. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, Tuesday, November 16th. Please remember I can be wrong and trade at your own risk. I had a few calls. One on the pattern with the early low, which is this. Tomorrow has the early high. So the commonest thing was a gap and prompt move outside Friday's range. We got that. Next most common was closing a little changed. We actually got that too, closing down 5 cents is certainly a little changed. We said the odds favored higher prices printing, and that happened immediately. Doesn't mean we have to close higher. It's just to review what we said. Gap, prompt move. The rule said there should be a large move tomorrow. It doesn't tell us which direction. We have this wave count. I don't think this is the end of wave magenta C because we're not seeing a blue B. If this were the end of magenta C, it would be the end of blue B. Expect a wave like blue A and the blue C. We're not seeing that, but I am expecting more of a drop than we've seen before the rally continues. Question is this drop enough? And the issue is whether this is a corrective wave or start of something more on the upside. I don't think that's magenta C. I think it's A of C of some degree. Well, this is what we had Friday. We had 5 waves up. We said the problem was that the bulls had to move quickly to invalidate the count because we had to clear 5 waves up and the close was under all these prior highs. We did that, but we still have a clear 5 waves up and 5 still has a relationship to 1, and we still closed under all these highs. So we have this strong rally, which as of yet hasn't accomplished anything, and we still have a wave count which is compatible with this being a corrective wave of the drop from the all-time high and compatible with this low being undercut, provided we hold these levels and start a big move down. Now that hasn't happened yet. Maybe it won't. If we gap up, take out this high early, all this negative pattern goes away, and I have no idea how we're going to open. But as of right now, at this price, that's a negative pattern. Suggests this recovery is over. Suggests lower prices are coming. And it's up to the polls to invalidate that interpretation. If you're a bull, what you have to do is gap and take this high out early, because if you don't, this is certainly compatible with the down wave starting. Just to point out, we needed follow-through Monday. To me, hitting a new high and closing in the red is not follow-through. Well, tomorrow's pattern has the early high. We could gap down. Now, typically it's a negative day with the low in the final hour, but this cycle repeats, and an unusually large number of days of the cycle have been positive in spite of the usual negative pattern. So you can't really rely on the usual pattern. We rallied to a new recovery high but closed under recent relative highs, negative pattern. Bulls need to overcome today's high promptly or lower prices should be seen even if we don't close lower. We have a significant drop Tuesday, and don't forget the odds favor a big move. The wave count suggests the all-time high should hold a bit longer and makes it likely we'll see a new reaction low. Now, if we get a new reaction low, I think we're going to recover. just wouldn't be the kind of drop I want to sit through if you're a short-term trader. So tomorrow has the early high. Usually it's negative a day, but it isn't a guarantee. And if we take this out early, we could still go to new highs. But I don't like this action. And if we don't take this out early, the odds increase we're going to undercut the recent low. And that's today's call.